Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the leaking Kenmore washer using the updated 2026 methods in 2026. Now, a leak can be a major headache, but most of the causes are simple to identify and fix with basic tools. So in order to fix it, first of all, you just have to simply open the laundry room and ensure that the washer is also turned off and unplugged from the power source. Before inspecting the machine, you just have to pull it away from the wall to give yourself enough space to work behind it safely. Afterwards, you just have to simply check the water inlet hoses located at the back of the machine. Simply inspect the connections to the water walls and ensure that they are tight. If you see moisture around the hose ends, you may need to replace the internal rubber washers or tighten the coupling using the pilots. Now, after doing so, you just have to also inspect the drain hose for any kind of cracks or loose connections. You can also verify that the hose is properly inserted into the drain pipe and standpipe and that it is secured with a hose clamp. After doing so, you just have to simply open the washer door and examine the door seal or bellows. If you have front load models, you can look for any punctures, tears or debris like hairpins that might be preventing a tight seal. So you can just clean the seal thoroughly with a damp cloth and then you can check the glass door for any cracks or buildup that could cause the water to seep out the front. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.